First President of Indian Republic is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Prime Minister of Free India is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Muslim President of India is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Even he is the first president to die working in his office. First British Governor General of India is Lord William Bantic. First British Viceroy of India is Lord Canning. First Governor General of Free India is Lord Mountbatten, and the first and the last Indian Governor General of Free India is C. Rajagopalachari. First President of Indian National Congress is W.C. Banerjee or Umesh Chandra Banerjee. First Muslim President of Indian National Congress is Badruddin Tyabji. After this, the first man who introduced printing press in India is James Augustus Hickey. First man to have climbed Mount Everest twice is Nawang Gombu. First Indian pilot is J.R.D. Tata. First Indian to win Nobel Prize is Gurudev, that is Ravindranath Tagore. First Indian to join Indian Civil Service, that is ICS, is Satyendranath Tagore. First Indian man in space is Rakesh Sharma. First Indian Commander-in-Chief of India is General K.M. Cariappa. This is the first Commander-in-Chief of Free India. First Field Marshal of India is Sam Manekshaw. First Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing full term is Morarji Desai. First batsman to score double century in one-day international cricket match is Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics is C.V. Raman, and he got this for Raman scattering. First Education Minister is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. First Indian Naval Chief Vice Admiral is R.D. Katari. First person to receive Paramveer Chakra is Major Somnath Sharma. First person to receive Magsaysay Award is Acharya Vinoba Bhabhe. First Chinese traveller to visit India is Fa Hin, and he visited during the time of Chandragupta II. First foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is also known as Frontier Gandhi. First person to resign from the central cabinet is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. He was in the cabinet minister of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court in India is Justice Hiralal J. Kanhaiya. First woman Speaker of Lok Sabha is Meera Kumari. India's first woman President is Pratibha Patil. India's first woman Prime Minister is Indira Gandhi. India's first woman Governor is Sarojini Naidu, and she was the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. India's first woman IPS officer is Kiran Bedi. First woman Chief Minister of State, and she is Sucheta Kripalani, and she was the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. First woman Judge of Supreme Court is Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. First woman to get Ashoka Chakra is Neerja Banot. First Indian woman to get Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. First Indian woman to swim across the English Channel is Aarti Shaw. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachendra Pal. First Indian woman to become Miss World is Miss Rita Faria. First Indian woman airline pilot is Durba Banerjee. First woman president of Indian National Congress, that is INC, is Annie Besant, whereas the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is also known as the Nightingale of India. First Indian woman to go to space is Kalpana Chawla. First Indian woman to fly fighter aircraft without co-pilot is IAF, that is Indian Air Force officer Avani Chaturvedi. First woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Maleswari, and this was in the year 2000. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court is Mrs. Leela Seth. The first woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. First nuclear reactor was Apsara, and that was in Maharashtra. First satellite is Aryabhatta. First successful indigenous launch vehicle was SLV-3. First Speaker of Lok Sabha was G.V. Malvankar. First Home Minister of India was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Defence Minister of India Baldev Singh. First Commander-in-Chief Indian Air Force was Subrata Mukherjee. First female Jawan in the army, that is in the Indian Army, was Separ Santi Tigga. First woman to win an Olympic silver medal was P.V. Sindhu, and she won for badminton. First female to represent India at the Summer Olympics was Nora Pole, and she represented India in the year 1924. First temple constructed from a single rock is Kailasa Temple, Ellora. First church in India is St. Thomas Church in Palayur. First post office opened in India was in Kolkata in the year 1727. First wax statue of a living Indian was of Mahatma Gandhi at Madame Tussauds in the year 1939. India's first university is Nalanda University. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India was Sukumar Sen. The first Indian to cross English Channel was Mihir Sen. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award was Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, that is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The first woman to receive Bharat Ratna is Indira Gandhi. The first woman pilot in Indian Air Force is Harita Kaur Dayal. And with this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.